don't write MOHD, that's the short form from Muhammad. Don't write MOHD. Always write completely Muhammad, MUHAMMAD, because MOHD, short form for Muhammad, means a dog with a big mouth. I am personally not in favor of writing MOHD, short form for Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's the name of a prophet. But I did not know that Muhammad means a dog with big mouth or not. So I went on the Google and I searched. And I found out in the Google search, according to Dr. Zakir Naik, Muhammad MOHD short form means dog with a big mouth. That means this social media post became so viral, millions of people saw it, so Google search now has said, okay, according to Dr. Zakir Naik. So Google doesn't have that intelligence of, of trying to find out whether it's authentic by Dr. Zakir Naik or not. So when you search, does Muhammad MOHD means a dog with a big mouth, it will pop up. Dr. Zakir Naik says that. And the full post you will see. Muhammad means a dog with big mouth. Please let me make it very clear. I never said this, Nauz Billah. And I never said that MOHD short form for Muhammad means a dog with big mouth. This is baseless. I personally believe that it's preferable when you're writing, write Muhammad in the full form. But in my mobile, I use the word MOHD short form. Why? I have a reason. Because the spelling of Muhammad are various. I think there are more than 50 types of ways in which you can spell Muhammad. And there is MOHAMMED, 8 letters. In these 8 letters, 4 are variable. M in the starting, H the third letter, and the first M and the last D, these 4 are constant. The remaining 4 letters can change. So there can be various permutation and combination how you can spell the word Muhammad. It can be MOHAMMED. Second letter can have 2 options, either MO or MU. So it can be MOHAMMED or MUHAMMED. The fourth letter, MOHA, can again be changed into variety. Muhammad, again, the second M, MOHAMM. The sixth letter M can be there or cannot be there. Some people spell Muhammad with single M, some people spell Muhammad with a double M. And the second last letter E can either be E, can be A. So when you do a mathematical calculation, because of these 4 variables, the second letter and the M can be there or not be there, the 7th letter E or A, the various permutation and combination, you can have more than 50 different options. So in my search, when I write the name, some people spell MOH, some people spell MUH. When I write the way they write in the visiting card, I don't remember which spelling has each Muhammad used for himself. So when I stood search for Muhammad, his name doesn't appear. I said, I know it's there in my mobile. It doesn't, because I don't know what spelling has he used. So in my mobile, all the Muhammad I have spelled as MOHD, common. So that there's no confusion. It's easy to find. Though personally while writing, I never prefer writing the short form, MOHD. I don't like it. But because there is a technical error of the different types of spelling available, and when you search, similarly, I know that I've mentioned this Yusuf in my mobile. When I type, it's not coming. YUSUF, it's not there. Oh, it's not coming, I'm sure of it. Then I realize later on when I get some other way, he spelled it YUSOUF, Yusuf. The same way there are some names which can be spelled in multiple ways. So in my mobile, I use one common spelling, irrespective how the person has spelled his name. I use it same, so that when I search for his name in my mobile, I find it. So in my mobile, I do use the word MOHD for short form of Muhammad, because if I type Muhammad, there will be a few hundred MOHD. It is the most common name in the full world. The most common name in the 8 billion human beings in the world, out of which approximately 4 billion would be male, and out of that, out of 2 billion Muslims, 1 billion Muslims would be Muslim males. Surely millions of them have been named by the name Muhammad. It is the most common name. But this message that don't write Muhammad MOHD short form because it means a dog with a big mouth is baseless. It's totally wrong. But I do suggest that it's preferable not to write short forms when you're writing a letter or referring to someone. Better write the full form, irrespective of the spelling, maybe MOH or MUH or double M or a single M, or whether it be ED or AD, whatever it is, that doesn't make a difference, but preferable write the full form. So just to cap it up, that this message was not circulated by me, and I tried to find out. Some say that it was already there in 2016. So 2016 means how many years back? About 7 years back. When it originated, I don't know, but it's very common, become very famous. So in this message, the first one is almost correct. The third one is partly correct. The second and the fourth one is completely wrong. And I've given you the reply to each of these 4 words, that what is the correct ruling. Hope this answers the question.